Welcome back in another video. This time I have another Macintosh, but this Macintosh don't work. It's this one, a classic one, and this classic one has a problem, and it's not the main board that is no more working, it's the power supply that has a problem. So let's have a look how it looks with this amazing screwdriver. Now let's take away this back chassis. So let's turn this over. The problem is somewhere here, and I would say I take this now away to have a closer look at this. So let's have a look if I can see something. Yeah, this here is leaky. The rest seems to be good. So let's take away this protection here. It's quite easy, you just need to take this plastic cap and then you can remove it. And remember, high voltage. Definitely, I will show you better now what I see. So here you maybe can see, but there is a bit, how to say, oxidation, and it shouldn't be like this. Then, if we turn this over, it's hard to see maybe on camera, but here it has some leaky, so this here I have to change. This, I think here I have to change all. This is still ok, this is still ok. Over there it also looks everything still fine. So it would be nice if it's only this here, then it's very easy and fast. The first thing I did was to clean a bit this logic board. Then I desoldered it to make it clean. After I was able to just remove them because they nearly fell out, and it was quite easy to do it like this. Then it's important to clean this electrolyte. I clean also more the dust. I fixed also the position of the other electronic components, and also here I made everything clean, ready to use it for next time. And at the end I had also to improvise a bit because they don't have all the same size. I waited now for a very long time until I got all my spare parts that I needed, and I would say let's put this all in here, and hopefully after this analog board will work perfectly. So let's have a look. The first thing I will do now is I will remove these two holes here. I have here my beautiful great tool, and here, and then let's move this over there. So these two should be this and this. So this one, and this one. Before we continue now, it's good to clean this place a bit. And I use for this isopropanol. I make it a bit in water. Then I clean here a bit. Good. So now I have here these two. They are not the exact same size. However, it shouldn't be a problem. So we will see. Remember, the short one is the minus, the long one is the plus. So here we see everywhere where we have this icon here, this is the minus. So like this. And now you maybe can see it's not the exact same dimension, so I have to cheat a bit. And to cheat, I just do this. I put this down, then I put this in here, and then I press this up. And then I can put it without problems. So I asked ChatGPT, and ChatGPT told me that you can use a 10 microwave farad 10 volt capacitor, 50 volt capacitor instead of this with 25. Let's risk, in hope that it will not have bad functions like this. Because if I now order another one, I have to wait again 2 or more weeks, and I don't want to wait anymore. I just want to finish this project to see it works great, and then ciao. So let's put this here. Yeah, and sometimes you have to risk. Life is always a risk. So let's put this in here. Now I put the computer together. The analog board is connected, but it's not yet good, as you can see yourself. As you can see here, it's moving all the time, and I think I know what it is. It's just a wrong capacitor, and I would replace this and see if this will be the solution. I took much longer than I was thinking in finding out what's the problem, and I still don't know what's the problem, but that shouldn't be too much a problem. Funny enough, this computer works. So don't ask me what I did, but in some way it's still a little bit moving, and we still see here it's not 100% perfect, but to be honest, I will let it like this because I have no more so much motivation in finding out what's the problem. So I'm happy that it's no more moving, and what was the problem, I can't say it. So thank you very much for watching this video, and see you in the next one. Stay safe. Bye bye.